guys? Today we're doing another point of view drive in my 2018 Mustang GT. Seems like every time I do a point of view drive you guys like it, so we're going to be doing another one today. Check out the wheel spacers we recently put on. Fitment looks great. We just need some lowering springs and then we're good to go. But yeah guys, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so keep on subscribing, hit that like button, and we'll get into the video. Before we start, I want to let you guys know I do have a Ford Performance by Borla catback exhaust, and I do have stainless power long tube headers on this, so it is very loud, and you guys are going to hear in the video, so let's hop on in. Alright, let's start it up. As I was saying, I know you're not supposed to put in drive and start right away after you start it, but I've already had some noise complaints from neighbors around here. But so I just drive it over here and I park it right here and let it idle to warm up before I actually go on the road and drive it. Alright guys, we are all set. The car is warmed up, as you can see. I'm gonna turn off the air, pop it in the sport mode. I like to put it in steering comfort. There we go. Put the windows down for you guys so you can hear the exhaust. Warm up these tires a little bit. Alright, let's get going. Downshifts go crazy in this car, man. It's one of my favorite parts about driving this car manual. In the manual mode, at least. Not to trigger all the manual lovers out there. But yeah, you guys, this is my 2018 Mustang GT Premium. Got that little seat memory thing right here. Cooled and heated seats. Yeah, so right now we in Florida. We just moved here. Let's hope there's not a cop motorcycle behind me. It's not. There's actually a lot of cop motorcycles out here. A lot more than I've ever seen before. Yeah. Mustang's so fun to drive. I saw a Lamborghini Aventador today. It's just straight motivation. Just seeing that, just gotta work for that one day. Lamborghini Aventador is my dream car. Hopefully one day I'll get one of those, little SVJ. Those things sound crazy. I've never actually driven with one, like on the road with me. I've only seen them like either parked or driving the other way. So one day. Whoops. I'll put the windows up for a little bit. That wind's getting a little out of control. I love driving down here in Florida. Just the palm trees and nice weather every single day. It's 79 degrees out, 6:40 at night. You can't beat it. Let's adjust the camera a little bit. If anyone else is out here in downtown Venice or southwest Florida, let me know. If you got a car out here, you wanna meet up or something, let me know. I'm always down to meet up with new people, meet people. So if you're in Florida, let me know in the comments below. That burble tune. Some guy just screamed at me. That's so funny. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that. That guy screamed, "Hey!" He's mad. He doesn't like loud cars. This town that I just moved to is full of old people, so they do not like loud cars. Man, that's so funny. I wasn't even really speeding either. He just didn't like it because it was loud. Let's give you guys another little rev. Sheesh. Man, this car is so fun. Alright guys, that is pretty much going to do it for today's point of view drive. If you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment what else you guys want to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos because I like making these. These are fun. I get to just drive out and do whatever. So if you like it, yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.